Hey guys, this is my Element RC Builders Kit 2. Promised I follow up on a video of what I did to it. As you can see, it has a yellow cab now. And the reason why I had to swap out cabs, this is the Proline Power Wagon, is because it didn't meet the Class 2 specs. The sides have to be pretty much covering the tire a little bit. I don't know if that's the term. So I had to switch bodies. Bumpers. What I did is I took SCX10 body post, put a metal rod through them, drilled 2 holes. It counts as a bumper. It's wider than the chassis rails, and it counts as metal bumper points. Did that for the rear and for the front. The next thing I did is Proline trenchers. They added a Predator compound, super soft, super sticky. Mounted on the SSD 1.9 wheels. As far as the outside, lowered. The reason why my truck looks so low is because I actually mounted, let me see if I can get this, the shocks where the links are. You had to put spacers and stuff. You had to configure it a little bit. But yeah, as you can see, it's mounted on the lower mount instead of the top. So that brings the vehicle down, what, 1/4 of an inch, which was a lot. And I also rerouted my steering link to the front. And while we're on the steering, I put SCX2 knuckles and hubs because I hate those SSD knuckles and hubs. To me, they're garbage. But yeah, as far as the outside, it's pretty simple. Really nothing done to it. Pop off the body. You can see I got Holmes Hobbies Crawlmaster 20 turn cheapo can, $15 can. It crawls really good, a lot of torque. I paired it to there's a 12 tooth 48 pitch pinion in there, mounted to the stock 87 tooth. Haven't had any issues so far with stripping gears. It's been really good. Coming to the front. Sorry, I had my receiver out. I had to put it in another car to test it. But it's mounted to a 3S Power Hobby servo. Servo I was telling you guys in the YouTube shorts. It's actually a direct power servo, so you don't even need a BEC. And at 3S, it makes about 900 ounces of torque. Made it to a Castle Micro X ESC with the 3S 1500 milliamp battery. It's really small, lightweight. It gets the job done. What else? Oh yeah, I have a pen mod in the front shocks. And the reason why I did that, I noticed every time I side heel, like the front would unload quick. So now you lift it up, it just goes back down. So it's low, and pen mod in the front. All those little things help it a lot. Other than that, it's really it for now. Basic electronics. Pretty much still a stock chassis, just lowered. I'm mounting the shocks on the links, on the link hose, not the top. And some grippy tires. There's no weights added to the car. And yeah, my next thing I'm gonna be doing to it is putting the hair bun foams in it for this week. Test those out. And yeah, I think that's it for now until I build my other monster that's coming out. So if you guys have any comments, leave them in the video. leave it in the comments, and I'll answer as best as I can. So there you go. Let's see if I can get a nice low shot. Yeah, nice and low. And I actually ran this in a comp in PA this past weekend. Since I didn't have a bed, I had to run it in the class 3, and I placed top 5. And I only hit, I think, 1 gate. No winching, nothing. It did really, really well. So yeah, it's pretty darn good, as you're gonna see in the upcoming videos. All right, later.